Mask protocol is such a pain in the ass, and it's getting even worse now that this is supposed to be lightening up on these restrictions, right? Most of everybody's gotten their vaccination. They feel entitled not to wear a mask. In my car, Uber still requires me to wear a mask and the passengers to wear a mask. So when I pull up and somebody's not wearing a mask and they try my door, it's locked. I'll open the side window, and I'm not a dick about it. I'll be like, hey, you got your mask? And I already got mine on. And no, I don't have one, or whatever. Oh, I didn't know, or I forgot one. Hey, no big deal. Hey, I got one for you. And I hand you one. And then if it's still in your hand and you try my door again, that pisses me off. Because, look, I even gave you a mask and you don't have it on. And you try my door again, and ask me to unlock the door even. No. You know what? That's fine. I'll make sure that you're away from the car. You don't have to wear the mask. But I don't have to let you in my car either. So that last passenger just got ghosted, standing there with a mask in his hand after trying my door 5 times. And I gave him a courtesy mask. And, hey, I got one if you need it. Oh, okay. And he tries to, what? It doesn't work if it's not on your face. I think masks are bullshit right now, too. But it's the current thing we're doing. So what the fuck ever. Moving on. The next ride was even bigger. So sorry about your luck. Catch the next one.